Hey everybody, it's your girl Need for Speed T. Today I am going to get my VRSF catback exhaust installed on my BMW 340i. Of course, you guys know that I can't install that myself, so I'm going to take it to have it installed. But before you guys get into the video, please hit that like, subscribe, and share button so that every time I drop a banger, you guys will be notified. Toodles. Okay, guys, this is the VRSF exhaust. This is the box it came in. I had to improvise and kind of open it up for you guys. As you see, I've been doing a lot of ordering. So you see a lot of boxes because I am doing a lot of things, kind of just doing a different build to my 340i. So I'm going to open up this box so we can see exactly what, wow, the exhaust looks like. There you have it, guys. And again, of course, I am not able to do the install. So I'm going to take it and have it installed personally. Yeah, I don't even want to mess with anything in this box. But again, this is the VRSF cat back exhaust system for the 340i. Everything, I guess, comes in the box. I really don't know what everything is, but I can't wait to have this installed so you guys can hear how this baby sounds. Stay tuned. This is the old muffler, guys.
What do you this one? Sorry.
Okay, guys, as you see, the new exhaust has been installed on the 340i. Just tracing it all the way down. I showed you guys the before picture. Now this is the after picture. Looks very nice. That is how it sounds crank. Coming off the ramp, guys. Okay, guys, so now that you have seen and heard the new exhaust system, we're gonna try it on a cold start. I'm gonna crank it on a cold start. Sounds pretty good. I'm gonna give it a couple revs, not gonna drive off or anything. Just wanted to kind of let you guys hear the VRSF exhaust system on the 340i. It makes it sound mean, so I think I did a good job at choosing. Not sure if you can hear that, but I love that. So that is my new exhaust that I chose for my 340i. Stay tuned for other builds that I will build on the 340i. Thank you.